And here we have the function sine x divided by 2x, and we want to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0. And for functions involving trigonometric functions, and then we have the following theorems. And we have the limit of sine of x divided by x as x approaches 0 is 1. And limit of 1 minus cosine of x divided by x as x approaching 0, we get 0. And then we also have a limit, if we just reverse this, cosine of x minus 1 divided by x as x approaching 0, we also get 0. And so to find the limit for this one, for this function, then we have f of x is sine of 2x, sine of x dividing by 2x, and then we can rewrite this as 1/2 times sine of x dividing by x. And recall that if we have limit of a product, then this just becomes product of limits. So we can rewrite this as this, the limit of 1/2 times the limit of sine of x. So once again, limit of a product is just a product of limits. Limit of a constant is just the constant. And then limit of sine of x divided by x as x approaches 0 is 1. So the answer is 1/2. And here we have the function 3 times cosine of x minus 1 divided by x, and we want to find the limit of f of x as x approaches 0. So this is the same as this. And then we can move the 3 over. This is the same as 3 times this. And here we have the limit of the product of 3 and this quantity right here. So we can rewrite this. Recall that limit of a product is just product of limits. So this is the same as the limit of 3 times the limit of the of cosine of x minus 1 dividing by x. So limit of a product is just product of limits. And then the limit of a constant is just the constant. And limit of cosine of x minus 1 dividing by x is 0. So here we get 0.